Prime Minister Modi has wrapped up his two-day visit to Cyprus, marking an important chapter in India's diplomatic journey. A tiny nation, but with huge significance in India's geopolitical game plan, Cyprus is the first country Prime Minister Modi visited after the successful execution of Operation Sindoor. At a time when the world is on edge with conflicts raging from West Asia to East Europe, Prime Minister Modi has once again turned to the wisdom of Gautam Buddha and has called for peace over war.
पश्चिम एशिया और यूरोप में चल रहे कॉन्फ्लिक्ट को लेकर हम दोनों ने चिंता व्यक्त की है। हम दोनों मानते हैं कि यह युद्ध का युग नहीं है। संवाद से समाधान और स्थिरता की बहाली ये मानवता की पुकार है।
This assessment of Prime Minister Modi's visit to Cyprus comes on the back of two broad contexts: Cyprus and Turkey's strained relations and Ankara's endorsement of Islamabad during the recent India-Pakistan conflict. The growing partnership between India and Cyprus could be more than just strategic diplomacy. It could be the foundation of India's pursuit of a permanent seat at the UN Security Council.
क्रॉस बॉर्डर टेररिज्म के विरुद्ध भारत की लड़ाई में साइप्रस के सतत समर्थन के लिए हम बहुत बहुत आभारी हैं।
But the visit wasn't just about politics. Cyprus is seen as a crucial next step for India's Middle East corridor, which can expand our influence in the Mediterranean region as well.
मेडिटरेनियन क्षेत्र के साथ कनेक्टिविटी बढ़ाने पर भी हमने बात की। हम सहमत है कि इंडिया मिडिल ईस्ट यूरोप इकोनॉमिक कॉरिडोर से क्षेत्र में शांति और समृद्धि का मार्ग प्रशस्त होगा।
Prime Minister Modi was also given a grand ceremonial welcome in Cyprus and awarded the nation's highest civilian honor, the Grand Cross of the Order of Makarios III. This prestigious recognition makes Cyprus the 23rd country to honor Prime Minister Modi on the global stage. As Prime Minister wraps up his successful visit to Cyprus, he now moves on to a much larger stage, the G7 summit in Canada.
If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe. If you like the video, do like, comment, share and subscribe.